Finally. Perfection. Some smart controller in my life, especially with the orange blades. This is gonna be my first flight, guys. My first flight. Everything is charged up. Everything is updated. The drone's fully updated. The batteries have not asked me to update. This here I also updated on the computer, and you know, come on, man. You got a 1-inch sensor, flying for day and night, that dynamic range D-Log, 5.4K. Come on, you gotta have a smart controller in your life. I am so excited to put this thing to the test. Looking at the weather though, not the ideal conditions for the first flight, but hey, it is what it is. I've got to fly. Let's get this thing up in the air. I can't believe this is a 1-inch sensor. I'm struggling. I can't believe I'm flying a 1-inch sensor, guys. I can't believe I'm flying a 1-inch sensor. Just stick my hand out the window. I mean, you know, I'm gonna tell you something. If you've been color grading before, and now you're getting a taste of D-Log, man. I'm in 5.4K Pro mode. Damn, look at that shutter speed though. Wow, that shutter speed is ridiculous. Oh man. Let me drop the ISO. I want the ISO low. Let's go ISO 100. And then the shutter automatically adjusts. Yeah, let's keep that ISO as low as possible. We'll talk about filters and all that stuff later if you guys are interested. Hyperlapse and stuff, tutorials I've got to try. Just taking it for a cruise right now. Just seeing how this thing flies, if I like it, how it responds. And let me tell you something, flying with the smart controller, I like to leave my brightness on adaptive. All right, let me see if I move it here, it jumps. That little A come up because it'll adjust the brightness automatically as you need. We'll talk about all that later when I do nighttime videos, tips and stuff. Sub up if you're interested in this stuff. But right now I'm happy, man. For filming and stuff, this is superb. Oh man, I can't believe I'm flying a 1-inch sensor. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Don't get me wrong, I love the Autel Evo 2 Pro with its 1-inch sensor, but it's not this small. It's not this handy, and as you can see, this is handling the wind. I'm in regular mode. I just need some filters in my life. Come on, PGY Tech, give me those filters so I can hit that record button and start getting some footage, man. Come on. This will be nice. I mean, look here. This gives you an idea of how windy it is. I mean, sheesh, it's pretty windy. And not only is it windy, but it's constantly windy. See here? All right, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Why aren't you zooming? This is what I like about the smart controller too. You just get one button to zoom. If it would only zoom, why isn't it zooming? I'm supposed to have some zoom in my life. Hold on, let me see what's going on with this zoom. Camera. Oh, is it because I'm in D-Log? Let me go into normal mode. Let me see if I can zoom in normal mode. Can I zoom in normal mode? Where are you? No, it's not the D-Log thing. It's because I'm in 5.4K. Is that why? Let's go to 4K. Yep, strong wind. There goes the warnings. Oh, now it can zoom. So there's no zoom in 5K? Is that what you're saying? Let's go back to 5K. Oh, there's no zoom in 5K. Oh. I would imagine that's when you would want to zoom the most. There's zoom in 4K. Okay, so there's some limitations, guys. That kind of sucks. I wanted to zoom in 4 or 5K. Come on, zoom. No, I have to be in 4K. Well, you know, that's not so bad. I can do 4K, but I'm not gonna do regular. Let me add some color and do this D-Log. There you go, D-Log in your life. At least you can zoom it. You can't zoom in 4K D-Log? You can't zoom in D-Log either? Oh man. Damn. No. I'm going to normal. Oh well. Alright, well, you know what? I guess, you know, it's not an Evo 2 Pro. Oh, yeah, the Evo 2 has really spoiled me. But you know what? I'm willing to live with this trade-off because it's so small and so compact. right? I'm willing to deal with not the zoom. Yeah, you can zoom into post, but when you really want to frame your shot and operate, like orbit, fly around something that's really close, you want to zoom up close first before you start doing that stuff. And yeah, that helps you to just frame properly. But you know what? It's not the end of the world. Let's go back into D-Log though. I really want my D-Log because I prefer to add my own colors. But yeah, you can see how windy it is right now. You can see how windy it is. It's pretty darn windy and pretty constant, and I'm getting the wind warnings and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm definitely liking this, especially with the smart controller. I'm not flying this with a regular controller. Like, it's either with the smart controller or nothing. Let me go into cinematic mode, because that's when you would want to fly this nice and smooth and cinematic. You know, I don't want to fly too far because it's windy and as ever. Right, there you go. You can see the wind blowing everything around, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm liking this. Matter of fact, let me record something in this D-Log. The clouds are nice and puffy tonight. Everything is looking good. There we go. You joined the drone game around the Mavic Mini or the Mini 2. You guys don't know how lucky you are. I waited years flying a half-inch sensor portable drone, flying the Phantom 4 Pro, which is a big monstrosity, hoping and praying for a day like this where I could have a 1-inch sensor that I can fly day or night, not having to fuss to carry 2-3 drones with me to get the job done, or to be able to travel, just carry this one drone and it has everything that I need. And on top of that, to have this ultra bright screen, everything paired up, this is like a dream come true. I'm really liking this drone, just the capabilities, guys, the capabilities. I was in South America just thinking about this drone, like I can't believe they stuck a 1-inch sensor on this little tiny drone. It's like almost unbelievable. I want to take this thing everywhere I go. Wow. Honestly, like, you have this drone, I'll keep it 100 with you. This drone and this controller, and maybe a Mini 2. There's times for the Mini 2, of course, because of its super portability. But this and the Mini 2, I'm saying, guys, that's your only 2 cinematic drones. If you have those 2 drones, you're set. You're set. Wow, let's try and just swoop down a little bit over here. Do something nice, something different, and then swoop back. Because I know the obstacle avoidance is better on this. So yeah. Wow. This is beautiful. Circle through here a little bit. Wow. Leave the lane for the joggers. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I hear you, Mr. Avoidance. Obstacle avoidance. Beautiful. There's a little choppiness in it, in the signal. It's not as smooth as I'd like it to be, but you know, for filming, it's not really that big of a deal. But yeah, I thought it would be smoother. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, let's go a little higher. Let's not go too close because it's windy, right? We're gonna get tossed around. But yeah, do I like it? I like it. Let's take this path so there's no people. Beautiful. Do we have upward avoidance sensors? Because I'd hate to lose signal on the air. I hate to lose signal on the air, but this is beautiful. Gonna kind of rise up before. There's a guy coming over there. His bike. Kind of rise up. Oh, this is beautiful. You gotta love it. Oh, you gotta love it. Oh, you gotta love it. Now this is pretty heavy wind, guys. It's pretty heavy wind. Oh, you gotta love it. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. All right, I'm done. Let's bring this boy home. Jeez. It's violent out there. Jeez. Sam. Talk about violent. Damn. Violent out there. Let's turn you off. You're making a lot of noise. I know if you own the Air 2, you're probably thinking the S is not a big deal. But it is. It is a huge deal if you're an OG flyer and you're flying with that 1-inch sensor and you want that dynamic range and the ability to fly at night. I understand. To fit a 1-inch sensor in such a compact portable frame that you can basically take anywhere with you in this world. I am loving this. I highly recommend pairing it up with this. This is my first flight, so yeah, I had to do it with the smart controller because it just all makes sense to have this and this, not only for professional, but the sun is beating out there. I'm excited. I'm loving this drone. I'm looking forward to doing some tutorials. Just wanted to share with you my first flight so you can see my first impressions. Mwah, loving it. Freewell, PGY Techs, please somebody send me some filters, will you? All right, with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell so you get notified when I release more videos, and I will see you guys whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.